Almost all of us start our trading journey with the same hidden mistake. I did it too. And the crazy part is, you won't even recognize this mistake at first. It might take 2, 3, maybe even 4 years of failure before you finally look back and realize where it all went wrong. It's a trap that nearly every new trader falls into, but almost no one sees it coming. So we start practicing with this flawed foundation, we try to learn, and slowly but surely we start to stumble. And when we fail, we blame everything else, the market, our bad luck, you name it. But the real problem? It was there from day one. Now, I'm not going to just come out and say what that mistake is. I want you to discover it for yourself. I'll drop some hints throughout this video, and your job is to think it through with a clear head and have that aha moment. If you can genuinely figure this out, this short video could literally save you 2 to 4 years of frustration and thousands, maybe even tens of thousands of dollars.
Let me share a personal story. I started my journey with binary options with just 10 bucks. I was risking $1 per trade. After my first loss, I just started firing off trades one after another. No thought, no analysis. It was pure revenge trading. I felt like I had to win it back. I quickly realized I was running on pure emotion. So, what did I do? I moved on to trading with my life savings. I even had a small e-commerce business that I shut down to go all in on trading. I was practicing 7-8 hours a day, but I was still consistently losing money. And here's the biggest hint. The reason was simple. I was trading with my savings. I had no other source of income. Every time I took a loss, it felt like my world was ending. That constant pressure, that mental weight, was completely destroying my performance. Eventually, I made a decision. I had to restart my business and create a steady income stream again. Only then would I trade with a small portion of that income, money I could truly afford to lose, and that's when it hit me. Trading becomes so much easier when the financial pressure is off. I lowered my expectations. I stopped thinking I have to succeed now and started focusing on the process of learning and consistent practice. So, if I had to sum up this entire long story in one sentence, it would be this. The faster you try to get rich, the longer it will take. Trading is a psychological game. It's not like physical labor where more pressure equals better results. In fact, it's the opposite. The more pressure you put on yourself, the worse your decision-making becomes.
So please remember this. Don't trade with your savings. Don't trade on a fixed timeline, thinking you need to be profitable by a certain date. These things are a recipe for disaster. I know what some of you might be thinking. That won't be me. I'm different. I can handle it. But the reality is nobody is superhuman. We all fall for the same psychological biases. The right path, the sustainable path, is this. Build a stable source of income first. Then trade with a small portion of that income. This removes the mental pressure and allows you to make clear, rational decisions. To succeed in trading, you have to set realistic expectations. Remember, to achieve financial freedom, you need to operate from a mindset of freedom, not a mindset of desperation. What I've shared today could save you an incredible amount of time, money, and emotional pain. So I urge you, after this video ends, take a moment, sit with yourself, and think with a clear head. Am I caught in this trap right now? If the answer is yes, you need to make a change today. Otherwise, you're setting yourself up for years of failure and frustration. Understand your situation, make the necessary changes, and be patient with the process. Take care and trade smart.